Okay student, now in today's class I'm going to start new chapter 6, graphics in basic 256. Okay, this version you have to install in your computer. Okay, QBasic we have done in the earlier classes. This is only based on that software only. Okay, in this chapter we will learn how to make graphics in QBasic 256. Okay, so now open page number 54. Basic 250 is not only designed to display text alphanumeric output, but it can also be used to display colorful graphics and generate different sounds also. So with the help of graphic statement, you can draw various types of figures like this, design patterns in different colors and styles. In this chapter, we will learn how to use Basic 256 program to display shapes and design as well as play music. Next is graphics output area. What is graphic output area? Graphic output area is made up of tiny dots called pixels. The combination of more than one pixel together make changes. Graphic output area display design and graphic pattern on the screen. The good numbers of pixels ensure the better display of graphics. Before we proceed with making beautiful graphic, let us understand the display characteristics of graphics output area. The graphic output area is divided into X and Y coordinates. By default, the graphic output area is 300 pixels wide and 300 pixels high. X and Y. Okay, and the top left corner is the origin with coordinate 0, 0, and bottom right corner is 299. You can see here, this is the top left corner and this is the bottom left corner. Each pixels can be represented by X and Y coordinates. The location 50, 50 on the graphic output area is shown in the figure represented by A. Point A device depict the X value 50 and Y value also 50 on the graphics output area. Now next, fancy text for graphics output. So how can we write the fancy text on the graphics? You have been introduced to the print statement in the previous class. Okay, that can display number as well as string as an output on the text output area. Okay, print statement we have done in the last year QBasic. Okay, the text and font statement allow you to display the text and numbers on graphics output area. The position the text can be specified by the X and Y coordinates. So this is the syntax: text XY expression. For example, text 100, 200, and we have to write kips. Okay, whatever the word you have to write that word in double quote. You can also specify the font type, size, weight along with the text statement like this: font, font name, size, in point, and weight. Now there is another arguments: font name. This argument includes the system font name. Some of the common font name in Windows include Vedana, Algerian, Capdia, etc. Font must be previously loaded in the computer system before it is used. Okay, you have to install that fonts in your computer before using. Text is size in point. Height of the text is measured in points, and there are 72 points in each. Next, weight. Number from 1 to 100 represent different shades of the letter. From light to dark, you can use 25 for light and 50 for normal and 75 for point for bold. Now program 1 we will discuss. The program number 1 to display text in graphic output area. So this is the basic 256 window, you can see, and this is the text output window and this is the graphic output window, and we have to write all the commands in this window only. So program to display message in graphic output area: font, liberation, serif, this is the font name. Okay, you have to learn that name. Next 56 is height, and then 75 is weight, and text 75 x coordinate, and this is the y coordinate. And we have to write KIPS message as a message. We have to write KIPS, and now end the program. So after this you have to click on this run button. Now you can see the output KIPS. Okay, CLG statement is used to clear the previous graphics. In the QBasic we have done CLS command for this, clear screen. Now this is the graphic window, so this is the CLG. Okay, graphic clear graphics. Now next statement is color statement. What is the use of color statement? It is used to set the color of the drawing or text. In basic 256 you can specify the color in two different ways. First by name or by number. Like this by name, this option allow you to type the name of the color along with the color statement, and you can choose any color from the 18 different color option as shown in the color table. You can see. Now syntax is color, then color name you have to write, for example color red. Program number 2 is to display color text. So how can we display color text in graphics? So first we have to write CLG, then color red, then font Vardhana, any font you can write, 10 height and weight, then else text is programming is interesting. Now end. Now we have to click on run command, so there is output. You can see programming is interesting, it is coming in red color, and font is Vardhana, and size is 10 and 75. Now next by number, this is that program is only for color by name. Then we can specify the color by number also. Color may also be defined by using their RGB values, red, green, blue. These are three are basic colors. All the colors will make with these colors only. RGB stands for red, green and blue. The number can have a value from 0 to 255 characters. These values are considered the primary. When they combine together, they form other range of colors. So bright white is represented by 255, 255 and 255. And all the colors of light, whereas black is represented by 0, 0 and 0. No colors. Okay. Then syntax color RGB value 1, then RGB value 2 and RGB value 3. 3 values, all the color with the color name we have. If we are writing numbers, so we have to give the 3 values. So the color 0, 0, 0. It means it is for black color. Now program number 3 is to display the use of color statement with RGB value. So color 255, 0 and 255. Font Asian, then 15 and 75. Value of that font, the text is 10, 5. And we are writing save word, save life. Now end. Then click on run. Here you can see this is pink. Save earth and save life. It is coming in pink color. So this code is for pink color. So observe the changes in the output by specifying different values of parameters for color, font and text command. Now next statement is plot statement. Okay. What is the use of plot statement? Sets a single pixel at any specific location on the graphic output area. With this command, you can set the pixel value by changing the values of x and y coordinates and draw the figures from any point of the screen. So you have to write syntax like this: plot x, y. X represent column and y represent rows. Then program number 4 with plot statement using CLG color red. plot 120, 120. Okay, color green. Then plot again 130, 130. Then color blue. Then again plot 150, 120. Then add. Then click on run button. So you can see the image will come in like this. So we have done page number 54, 55 and 56. Okay, you have to read again all the statements and all the syntax and all the programs and try to do practical of basic 256 in your computer and learn all the programs. Now I will give you homework for today.